And here we see the feline profile line. Note the potential volume area.
Oh, no!
Cute is hiding. I must find it. Ahem. I am surgeon and influencer. Watch this. Perfect application of filler balm. Hey, no, stay glossy. Did you just...
Attention on the chart. And this? This is our flawless blueprint. Sterile field. Also hard to cute. I might cry. We do deluxe upgrade package. Don't stop fireworks.
Oh, she's so ugly. So hard to beauty enhancement. Don't worry, I watch many tutorials. Chin implant time. Stay still.
No one saw that.
Glam coming back. Trust me.
A doctor stressed. Easy fix. Trust the doctor. Whoa. Accidental genius. That's fashion.
This face, very advanced ugly. Professional only. This is not mistake. This is style.